Tired of resizing images one by one for Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube? It's exhausting and easy to mess up if you don't know the right sizes. Good news, there's a tool that can resize your image for every platform in one click. Before we start, hit like and subscribe if you're into time-saving digital tools like this. Let's go. Step 1. Use a tool like Canva or Pixelcut. Go to canva.com or pixelid.com. Upload your image, then use the resize feature. You'll find presets like Instagram post, 1080 by 1080, Facebook cover, 820 by 312, YouTube thumbnail, 1280 by 720, Pinterest, Twitter, LinkedIn, all available. In Canva, the resize tool is available in the Pro version. Just select your sizes, click Copy and Resize, and boom, you have multiple versions in seconds. Step 2. Adjust design, if needed. Sometimes elements shift slightly. Quickly adjust text, logos, or crop the background if it doesn't fit the new dimensions perfectly. Step 3. Export all at once. Once resized, just download all versions in a single zip file or folder and you're good to go. If this saved you a ton of time, hit the like button and make sure to subscribe. We bring you more smart creator tools every week. If you found this video helpful, give it like and hit subscribe button and press bell icon for more tech videos like that. And if you faced any issue, you can comment down in comment section. I will help you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.